So, ito lahat yung aking nahuhul, guys. Ay. So, ito yung grocery namin lahat, guys. Palabas na kami, guys. So, ayan. Tapos na yung ganap, guys, sa pag-grocery. And, pauwi na kami. Let's go home. Almost 8 p.m. It's good weather for me.
It's annoying. It's supposed to be night. Cold weather.
Last week, guys, sobrang lamig. Napakalamig. Ngayon naman is mainit. Ayan. So, ito yung good weather. Hakutin niya tong pinamili namin. Grocery haul, guys. Uwi lang namin sa bahay. So, ito yung nakuha ni Mr. Yung orange chicken. Ito yung lunch namin bukas. Cereal. First time ko to i-try na real oat. And then, breakfast ni Karel. Ayan. Yung gusto ni Kuya Nick na cinnamon na cereal. Ayan. And then, fresh milk. Snacks para manood kami ng movie. Ako ang namili nito. Ito-try ko siya kung hindi siya salty. Of course, i-mix namin sa yogurt. Yan, i-try ko tong na to, fruits na to na organic raspberry. Ayan. Plums. Ayan. Ito na lang yung last. Kaya kinuha ko na lahat siya, guys. Then, grapes. Kasi ito yung gusto ni grandma na grapes. May pagkaano siya. Yung crunchy. Ayan. Of course, yung yogurt na i-mix namin sa fruits ni Mr. Kasi ito talaga yung namin i-breakfast or dinner. Siya is, i-try namin to original peach na low-fat yogurt. Ayan. Hindi namin to So, ito lahat yung aking nahuhul, guys.